viewers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. You guys can check them out. Either my affiliate link from Amazon will be down below, or their website. Either or, check them out. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. About to see what's inside. And we also got Prime Day sales going on. So, a lot of things going on this summer. I think it's summer. Close enough. Finally, winter is over. But you might want to start thinking ahead. Birthdays, Christmas, and all that good stuff. Oh boy. And we're going to do separate videos. We got a lot in here. So this is coming from my good friends over at Turtle Beach. They are on Amazon, and also they have their own website. But you guys seen them everywhere. Probably at GameStop and places like that, you know. But definitely check out their Prime Day deals going on. So I'll leave my affiliate link for you guys. All you gotta do is click on that, and you can place your order for one of these. Here we go. Brand new Turtle Beach. The Burst 2 Air wireless gaming mouse. 47G ultra lightweight wireless Bluetooth Titan switch, optical, 120 Hz battery life. Here's all the good stuff. Titan optical switch, 26K owl eye sensor. Ooh. DPI switch, high performance. So definitely Burst 2. Definitely excited to try this one out. Give me 1 second. Let me cut 2 stickers. And we'll give it a test drive. Definitely now's a good time to start buying your PC stuff and all the accessories, you know. Get ahead of the holiday rush. Ooh. Okay, put that right there. Let me get this down. There we go. Now we got more room. Nice presentation. And we'll see. Empty. Yep. So thank you guys for sending me this unit. We got the manual. The Burst 2. Whoa. We got some replacements. That's the first. Okay. And I got the non-slip guards. You could definitely feel it. I don't know if you can see it. My lighting is kind of weird today. But that's alright. And we got some of the blue guards. Do not eat this, kitties. Do not eat this. Make sure you throw it away so your pets won't eat it. Not safe for them. I'm not sure what's in those, but not good though. This is good right here. Nice cord so your animals won't chew it up. There we go. Pop goes weasel. I gotta take this one off. There we go. And you can put these back on. Kind of like a watch band. So now we got this. Really nice. USB. There we go. And now the mousey. Definitely gonna need some batteries, I do believe. Maybe not. Nope. Alright. Take off this. Oh shoot. There we go. Here we go. Those are removed. And then let's plug it in here. Super lightweight, guys. It's like super crazy lightweight. That's empty. So now where does it have to plug this in? Give it, turn it on. Should be ready to go. So I'm gonna hook it up to the, oh, there we go. About to hook it up to the computer in a second. So it is wireless, but it all depends if you like to use it without it, or you can use it with the Bluetooth. We'll probably do Bluetooth and Turtle Beach right there, and we're gonna hop over to the computer right now. Alright guys, we are on the computer. See, it's right there. Burst to air. Just gonna connect. And we are connected. Whoa. This is smooth. That's the old one I had. But it feels good. I'm liking this. DBI. It is great. This is definitely a nice mouse. Alright, definitely check these guys out. Turtle Beach. Right there. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good night.